So for the past few years, my day involves looking at a microscope, counting and identifying pollen. All around the lab you'll see various seed envelopes. We spend a lot of time collecting seeds from plants within our study system, which is in southwest Western Australia. It's a region that is of high conservation value, a high biodiversity hotspot, but also has a lot of agricultural work happening at the moment. So we're really interested in ways that we can study the sort of issues that perhaps the pollinators are preferring, say canola in the crops, and these wildflowers are getting neglected. So canola is a very attractive crop to pollinating insects. It's full of nectar, full of pollen. So you can understand why the pollinators would maybe leave their homes in a little natural vegetation patch and go to the canola where they get such high amounts of nectar and pollen, whereas the little wildflowers may be seen as a bit more hard work to get all the pollen from them. So we could look at different ways of farming the canola, maybe rotating it more often so that the wildflowers have a chance to recover after there's been a year when they've been next to canola, or looking at planting canola crops perhaps further away from the native vegetation, or even just supplementing current pollinator populations, maybe having honeybees and they will pollinate the canola, leaving the native pollinators to maybe prefer the less competitive native wildflowers. Sort of a lot of room for movement that hasn't really been investigated. So hopefully when we have a bit of data, we'll be able to decide what's the best move for conserving these flowers in these communities.